Howdy y'all, welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Welcome back y'all, it's Reggie GrubbZ here. What we're going to do today is we're going to open up a box. Now, Mr. GrubbZ has asked me to please take over all the unboxing videos and cook videos for the time being. We might even do some of the how-to videos we got coming up. But what we're going to do is we're going to take over GrubbZ channel here for these kind of videos. We just want to spice it up a little bit for y'all. Alright, let's get to this unboxing. Alright y'all, let's open her up. Let's get in this puppy. This bitch. Huge thanks to everybody over there at Lunkerhunt. We know Mr. GrubbZ loves his Topwater. Hopefully there's some good Topwater in here. What we got first, we got some paper. It's real nice. I might use this some other time. Oh my, there's some mighty good stuff in here, folks. Well, it's a real nice unboxing. Well, get another spider. Nice, that's real nice. Oh, we got another spider. So I tell we got this a black one, and it looks like some chartreuse and green. This here compact frog would do well down with them snakeheads. Next time we go for snakeheads, we might bring this compact frog. The dragonfly, folks. That's nice. That's real nice. That's nice. This is designed to be rigged wheelless like a Senko. And I'm sure it does float as well. This looks cool. I have not seen this one yet. We're gonna try that out real soon. Ooh, this looks nice. The Lunkerhunt Commotion, y'all. For floating and popping. Oh, y'all. We have some Lunkerhunt stickers here. If y'all do me a favor and leave a comment down below, I have some extra stickers. And maybe even a couple of these baits for you. We can draw a winner 1 week from today. Now this one I have not used yet. The prop frog. Now y'all know how I love them sprinkler frogs. So this might be real nice. Now let me tell you something. I heard something through the grapevine about this one, the Yapper Rat. I heard this thing is slaying fish. Now it doesn't even look like we have to trim that tail now. This is gonna be fun. I might throw this at night, folks. Now I'm not gonna throw this in the pads. This is not for the thick pads. This is for around those pads. That's cute. That is a very, very small frog. This would have been real nice in our tournament versus One Rod and Jimmy. Real nice. Literally everything sent so far goes on top of the water. Now you know they know how I like it. But we have a version of their Senkos, and they also sent us a nice little crank. This is a floating crank. This is good, real good for right now. This time of year, that's what you want. Now also this time of year, if you are a stubborn little bitch like me and you will only throw the Topwater, that's fine. But if you have it blow up, you can throw in something like this and then bass. I'll tell you what, I've had some really nice hookups like that. A couple more stickers, folks, and a couple more to give away. Now with COVID around, I have been wearing my mask at all times. Right now I have my Monsterbass mask on. Y'all can get Monsterbass down in the link below if you'd like. And that's who hooked me up with these Lunkerhunt characters. These guys are real nice. This is a real nice buff. Let me tell you. Let me tell you what. That's a real nice shirt. In a different color. Nice. That's real nice. That looks good now, doesn't it? Well, it's me. It's GrubbZ. I am back. Quick shout out to Reggie. He's the man. If you guys like Reggie, please let me know in the comments below. I just want to thank Lunkerhunt for sending me all this stuff. And you know exactly what I want to throw. Like literally 2 out of 10 are going under the water. Everything else is top water. Love these guys. So yeah, we're gonna give all of these baits a whirl. Maybe we'll try and catch a fish on every single bait in one day. We gotta go to the right place for something like that, for all top water all day. But I have a place in mind. The thing that's different with the Lunkerhunt stuff to conventional is the fish, for one, they haven't seen stuff like this before. You know, not a lot of people are even throwing it because it looks like a gimmick. It works. The spider worked more than I could have ever imagined the other day when I did a challenge on it. So, you know, that's something to think about. And 2, it's always fun to post pictures when you catch bass on crazy stuff, in my opinion. I love catching bass on crazy stuff because to me it's really cool that a bass will literally come out of the woodwork to hit anything. Like, it's hungry, it is a savage, and that's why I love fishing, especially topwater, because I get to see the savagery. That's the whole point of it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys, and fish on.